σας! Σήμερα θα σας δείξω μερικές προτάσεις που θα σας βοηθήσουν στο ταξίδι σας με την ελληνική γλώσσα. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you some sentences that will help you with your journey with the Greek language. I am Konstantina and I'm here to show you how the Greek language can be easy and fun to learn the way I explain it. So let's start. Okay, so let's start with the first phrase. Με λένε Μάρκο και είμαι από την Γερμανία. I am called Mark and I'm from Germany. Με λένε means I am called. It doesn't literally mean my name is. So I am trying to make on this video everything as accurate as I can regarding the translation. So it might sound odd in English sometimes, but I'm doing this for this particular reason. Λοιπόν, next one. Μαθαίνω ελληνικά γιατί μου αρέσει η Ελλάδα και πηγαίνω για διακοπές συχνά εκεί. I'm learning Greek because I like Greece and I go for holidays often there. Συχνά is often, εκεί is there. Next one. Σηκώνομαι το πρωί στις 7 για να είμαι στην δουλειά μου στις 8. I get up at 7 in the morning in order to be at my work at 8. This is how we phrase this in Greek. Next one. Συνήθως πηγαίνω εκεί με το αυτοκίνητο, αλλά έχει πολλή κίνηση και μερικές φορές παίρνω το λεωφορείο. Usually, συνήθως, I go there by car, με το αυτοκίνητο. In Greek, we say with the car. This is how we phrase it. Αλλά, but there is, έχει. Now, here you see a different way in phrasing completely. In English, you say there is. In Greek, we say it has. Okay? But it means there is. It's a very casual way of saying there is. Έχει λοιπόν, there is a lot of traffic, έχει πολλή κίνηση και μερικές φορές, sometimes I take the bus. Παίρνω το λεωφορείο. This is literate. One more. Μαγειρεύω, I cook, μία φορά την εβδομάδα για να έχω περισσότερο χρόνο για μένα. I cook once a week, μία φορά την εβδομάδα, once a week. In order to, για να, very useful little thing that with a preposition, okay, and this particle, to have more time for me. Για να έχω, in order to have, περισσότερο χρόνο για μένα. Now, I've written down some phrases, simple phrases, taken from the examples I've already shown you, so you can practice later on. In the comments below, I get up at 7, I go to work by car, I go to Greece for my holidays, literally you can write that. Sometimes I take the bus in order to go to work. Okay, so if you have any unfamiliar words from the examples I have given you to practice, let me know in the comments below. And also feel free to ask any other question related to the Greek language and I will answer as soon as possible. And you never know, your question might trigger a whole class. So, if you like learning the Greek language and you are considering in taking your learning a step further and be able to form a conversation in Greek, you can do this by using my method in only 3 months, just by spending 1 hour conversing with me. So, type in LearnGreekViaTalking and you will find me on Facebook and Instagram and I will take you through all the fun details of my teaching method. So, σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που με παρακολουθήσατε. Θα τα πούμε στο επόμενο βίντεο. Γεια σας!